What is up, guys? Today I'm going to take you guys out and show you what my stock exhaust sounds like when I rev it in Efficient, Sport, and Sport Plus. Alright, here's the M5. Obviously I haven't done anything to it in the past couple months. So just for starters, my M5 is stock exhaust, but it does have a downpipe, primaries and secondaries, and it does have a tune and intakes. So I came out to one of the local parks just so I could film this video and I could make as much noise as I want without getting a complaint. All right, and just to show you guys and verify that I will be inefficient for this first run, or for this first test, right there, all my settings. This next test is going to be in Sport. I know you can see the settings right there. So Sport, Comfort, Comfort. Last test is going to be in Sport Plus.